Hey guys, so this is how to freeze a frame in Clipchamp. So I have a project open here on my browser and it's a plain project. I haven't done anything yet. And let's just go ahead and add a video for demonstration purposes. So I'll just go to the content library, videos. Let's see, let's do office and business. Can do this one. So I'll just drag it and drop it over here. And it's looking good, I think. Yep, looking good. So I just want to freeze a frame, this frame, for example. So I'll just click on S to split. And what I'm going to do is I'll just take a screenshot of this frame. So I'll just highlight this part. I'm using CleanShot, by the way, for screenshotting, for screen shooting. Sorry about that. And I'll just release, and it's right there. So I can just go ahead and add this frame or this screenshot to the media. And then I'll just drag it and drop it over here, like in the middle. And I can control the length of it. Just do this. Maybe I'll just make it for just a few seconds. And I'll just drag the rest of the video over here. And now when we play, it's frozen and it keeps on playing. And something I noticed that I did wrong here was when screen shooting, just make sure that you don't include any of the frame. I have like a white line going from the bottom to the top left and the top left to the right. But just make sure that you get like get all the frame out of it. And yeah, this is just how easy it is. This is how to freeze a frame in Clipchamp.